If you need to reset two-factor authentication on CapCut, follow these steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Open the CapCut app. Launch the CapCut application on your device. Ensure you are connected to the internet for the process to work smoothly. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon or the settings gear icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Security Options. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security Options or Privacy Settings. This section will contain the two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Choose to reset two-factor authentication. Find the option to reset or disable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter your password or verify your identity through an email or SMS code. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. This may involve confirming your new authentication method or setting up a new two-factor authentication method. Once you have completed these steps, your two-factor authentication should be reset, allowing you to set it up again if desired. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to CapCut support for further assistance.